All right.
You liking this?
Yeah. What else you got for me?
I got you. Okay. So I think you should give the travel tips of the week.
I don't know what they are.
That's not good, babe. You shouldn't be saying that in the podcast.
I know, but I did get the notes, but these are also different notes than the ones I got about an hour ago. True or false?
Fact or fiction?
Fact or fiction?
Fact or fiction.
So I knew the other ones, but not these. Okay. Okay. So travel tips, shower caps for shoes. So using hotel shower caps to wrap the soles of your dirty shoes or toiletries. Oh, that's a good idea, and that way you can travel and do your stuff. What I do for my shoes is I do the very large Ziploc bags.
Okay.
That's what I do.
That works.
Yeah.
As well. But I think like when you're out in a hotel and you don't have Ziploc.
And then they're like extra dirty, like when we go hiking
and stuff. You could just use that shower cap.
Okay.
That works.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a pretty good tip.
Okay.
All right. So tip number 2, pack a motion sensor nightlight. Which is pretty cool because, when you don't know your area and you're staying in, let's say, an Airbnb, at least that could kind of illuminate your path.
I was thinking differently.
What were you thinking?
Like,
what were you thinking? I'm just trying to safety
an
first.
intruder comes into your hotel.
Got it. So you're thinking more of a murder.
Yeah. So I'm going to come and get
This is not the murder podcast. This is the travel podcast. We just pull you in. Okay. So third tip.
Shop at local grocery stores. We always do that. That is a huge thing, especially when you're with children and stuff. Always pack to head out, go local grocery stores. Plus, they have the better stuff. We do in Italy with get the cheeses and the prosciutto.
The prosciutto, as you say. Yeah, I agree with this one because, again, first of all, the money that you spend on restaurants, and if you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner in restaurants, you're gonna go broke very quick. Go to your local deli, the local supermarket, and actually, to your point, you're gonna find some nice.
Yeah. We even get a couple bottles of wine for the hotel room or wherever we're staying. Another tip that I like to do too, and that I've been doing the last couple times, I don't travel with toiletries. I always try to see where we're at, and then I'll just pick up the stuff that I need over there that I know that they're gonna have. Obviously, if there's medicine and things like that, or something very specific, but a lot of times I've noticed that you can get deodorant kind of anywhere, and I just feel that it's just I have more space in my bag, and it started because I did it by accident, and then I just kept doing that, and I find some really cool things, lotions and stuff that we don't have.
I don't know. That's kind of risking it for me.
Yeah,
because I know me, I need a particular deodorant.
So then,
I need a good deodorant.
Then right. Like I'm saying, it's not for everything, but like your lotions and things like that. I'll give you an example. I didn't travel with lotion, and then we went to the drugstore that was there, and we ended up getting the best lotion to the point where I've even brought home with me about 5, even my girlfriend that came with us, and we're obsessed with it. I would have never done that or tried something new, so those things, toothbrush, everybody has a toothbrush, those little things.
Sure. Well,
girly stuff.
Well, yeah.
I know. I take the risk. I don't know.
I can't take that risk. I'm a girly girl man. Like I need my certain products.
She's a girly girl man.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Nice 3 tips of the week from Dorian Destinations travel tips. If you need more information or more tips, hit us up. We'll be more than happy to give it to you.